Today we talk about how can you add shortcuts on your CallApp. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on general here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just come here to app shortcuts, and here can you add your shortcuts for SMS, and here for call long here, or favorites, or daily. So here can you add your shortcuts. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.